Specialty Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2013 Roush Stage 3 Mustang Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 35,000 on this one is all. 302 supercharged V8 underneath the hood, and it does have the Bremspeed 710R Corvette Killer package added to it. They claim 710 horsepower at the flywheel, and that is paired up with a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. In case you have people that cannot drive a manual and would like to have a fun sports car to drive, these automatics tend to go quick when we have them in especially Mustangs. Also, there's the lower grill kit that is included from Roush with this. It's not installed, it's in a package over along the wall here. I'm going to show you a few other things that go with it. There's also a stow and show license plate bracket that will hook up underneath this chin spoiler right down here, and you can put your plate on that, take it on and off, slides on and off easy. I've actually used one before. We've had them around here on different Mustangs. Very slick setup for getting that front license plate on and off if you want to take it off at a show or not have it on all the time. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Check out all the stow pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video here in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see riding on the correct Roush 5-spoke wheels, slotted and drilled rotors up front, and you're going to find those in the rear also. Take a look at the heat extractor hood. Let's go ahead and take a peek down this passenger side. Ingot silver with the dark charcoal bucket seat, leather interior, rear quarter window treatments. There you get an idea how it looks on the interior, and we're going to slip around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. But first, I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, a few of those things that are going to go with this car. There's a 2013 Roush calendar with the actual car itself, same color on the front page of it. Pedal commander control. This is the stow and show license plate bracket in the box, and then there is that lower grill insert. Looks like it may be a miscellaneous towel, a couple other things we'll put back in the trunk with it. There's also the Ford window sticker you'll be able to see in the still pictures, as well as the Roush window sticker will be in the still pictures. You want to see exactly how this car is equipped, and again, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. So take a look down the driver's side. Again, you can see it's free of nicks, dings, scratches, anything major. When the car's been driven, 35,000 some odd miles, you may have a little spot where it's had a touch up or a little tiny pebble chip, what have you, but overall, this car appears to be pretty darn clean. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Of course, your modern amenities that you're going to get in a later model car with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side with lumbar, steering wheel controls. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your exact miles, 35,433. You can see no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that on. Shake your stereo system. Roush badge on the inside. Sorry about the glare, a little tough to read that. Dash, everything looks good. No surprises on this one. And you can see there's very little wear as far as on the seating surface. You just get a little bit of the wrinkling, natural hide, the leather, just how it wears, like a nice comfortable pair of shoes. And listen to this. Nice sounding car. Should with that supercharged 302 underneath the hood. Alright. hood open. Let's check out this engine bay. There's a good look at the hood liner, underside of the hood, and of course the engine bay. So Roush pulled air intake here. You'll be able to see the Roush plaques in the still pictures. I believe this was number 433. Be 13-433. Roush charge, and again, that Bren Speed 710 Corvette filler package added. Good looking engine bay. Another Roush badging. We'll have who helped custom build this car at Roush. Stick around to the very end of the video here too. We'll do a driving video of this car. You'll be able to see what it's like taking it down the road. Take a virtual ride in it, so to speak. 2013 Roush Stage 3 Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles, just a little over 35,000. Here goes Jeff across the back. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2013 Ford Mustang. This particular car is supercharged. It is a Roush Mustang. This is an automatic on the center console. So it is super simple to put that power down. You just put your foot down. Fun Mustang. Very good acceleration. All our gauges are working well. Temperature gauge is about a third of the way from cold to hot, and fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. Factory radio
Bus on Black Friday early morning
is working well. The odometer is showing 35,432 miles. Feels like a very low mile Mustang. Excellent handling. Very tight steering. It's practically a new car. And with that Roush supercharger, you've got plenty of power to play with. Looking good in the silver with racing stripes. Yeah, this car doesn't lean in the corners as much. Here, let's get the window down a little bit for you to hear it. Such a sweet sound to that exhaust. We've got bucket seats and a lot of good looks. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.